Hello everyone. Welcome to Trader Z. I have my volume on again. There we go. Okay. So I was kind of looking at the market a little bit this morning, just a little. I'll go ahead and read the index. So S&P is up 0.34%. Dow Jones is up 0.09%. NASDAQ is up 0.42%. Shenzhen is up 35%, and Shanghai is up 52%. So I did some work to the market scanning tab, so I didn't have to keep switching over to paper trades. So I added crypto right here, so I can kind of keep an eye on that. I kind of wish the list was a little bit bigger, but we have some cryptocurrencies. Sushi. I didn't know that was a cryptocurrency. I guess I'll just read a couple of them. MANTLE is up 4%. ATP is up 3.85%. DOT is up 2.27. OP is up 1.68. ATOM is up 1.31. FIL is up 1.38. And ATM just dipped down. And I'll read one more. QNT is up 1.24%. All right, so let's go to my heat map. So TSM is up 3.29%. Let's stay in this sector. ASML is up 3.63. LRCX is up 6.64. AMAT is up 6.35. I didn't read market caps. AMAT has 173 billion market cap. LRCX has a 180 billion market cap. ASML has a 338 billion market cap. And TSM has a 1.5 trillion market cap. Moving on to INTC, it's up 7% with a 167 billion market cap. KLAC up 4% with a 148 billion market cap. ARM up 6% with a 159 billion market cap. TER up 2% with a 159 billion market cap. And okay, ONTO up 6%, 6 billion market cap. FORM up 6% with a 200, not 200, a 2 billion market cap. 2.99, so almost 3 billion, but not quite. Okay, then we have LLY, which is up 8% with a 781 billion market cap. ABBV is up 5% with a 431 billion market cap. I need to pull my chat back up. Hey Vix, sorry I didn't have the chat up. NVO. NVO is up 6% with a 262 billion market cap. MRK is up 700, not 700, is up 7% with a 225 billion market cap. AGN is up 5% with a 160 billion market cap. BMY is up 5% with a 96 billion market cap. BTRX is up 3% with a 103 billion market cap. PPFE up 6% with 154 billion market cap. SNY up 5%, 125 billion market cap. GSK also up 5%, 92 billion market cap. REGN up 6%, 63 billion. Um, BIIB, I think that's I. Biogen. Yeah, those are I's. BIIB is up 10% with a 22 billion market cap. And that one's trading at 154 right now. Mm. mRNA up 6% with a 10 billion market cap. Not gonna read anything. IWD up 10% with a 255 million market cap. I'm looking for things with at least 6% change. Oh wait, I just saw one. And pharmaceuticals. IRWD with a 237 million market cap. It's up 11%. Wonder if this will. It doesn't. It should. Okay, so going back to industries. Hmm, coal. Um, I don't usually list the price of coal, but I see it right here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So CNR is up 2% with a 4 billion market cap. BTU is up 6% with a 3 billion market cap. ARPL is up 0.77%, so not a whole percent, not a whole 1%. And it has a 3 billion market cap. Then we have NRP, which is up 1%, not 100. I was going to say 105. It's not 105. It is 1.05% with a 1 billion market cap. HNRG is up 1.94% with a 858 million market cap. And NC is down 38.38% and has a 312 million market cap. So back to industries. DHR is up 7%, 152 billion market cap. Thermo Fisher, that one's up 9% with a 200 billion market cap. A is up 7% with a 39 billion market cap. AVTR up 9%, 9 billion market cap. RGEN up 9%. I think that was also up yesterday too. With a 800, not 800, 8. I'm really struggling. Billion market cap. I apologize. ICLR up 9%. MENS Where did you go? Where did you go? MENS is up 21%. Xiong Biotech? I'm not sure about the first part of the name. BRNS up 19%, 61 million market cap. Which sector is this? It's like part of healthcare. Pharmaceuticals? No. Okay, there's Thermo Fisher. So these are in healthcare equipment. DHR. WAT is up 6% with a 19 billion market cap. I already read A. WST is only up 3%. We already read ABTR. HTFL is up 6% with a 2 billion market cap. BRKR is up 6%, the 5 billion market cap. And I don't remember if I read this one or not. MYGN is up 6% with a 719 million market cap. Okay, so let's figure out why I can't see that part of my chart. That's not gonna work. There we go. Okay, so go to tops. On the 1 day, just gonna read the top 10. Say 17. Actually, real quick, I want to check my watch list and see if anything's moving on it. And I want all stocks. ASML is up 3%. Trading at 1,000 per share. Just 9%. AV trading at 346. Let's go to the 1 day so I can see these better. Oh, that's a nice jump though. JPM. AMAT. That was on our heat map. Up 6%. MU up 8%. CAMT up 7%. INODs up 6%. Okay, so we'll go to, am I in the way? Not really. Not really for this screen anyway. Okay. So for the 1 day, I need a drink. RVLY is up 71% with a 16 million market cap. FRMI up 59%. RVLY, FRMI up 54% with a 19 billion market cap. PALI up 52% with a I just want to delete this volume tab off of here. Do that. I look at the volume, but I look at it here when it's just getting in the way of reading it. Okay, so then we have AMBI, which is up 44% with a 64 million market cap. We have ARBK up 39% with a 26 million market cap. Then we have RVSN, which is up 35% with a 30 million market cap. We have UCFI, which is up 34% with an 11 million market cap. TORO up 33% with an 80 million market cap. ANGX is up 33% with a 1 billion market cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. DXYZ is up 31% with a 305 million market cap. So, stop it. Just go up. This thing. Sometimes. Why? Okay. Now I should just be able to quickly read the top 10. All right, so let's go to the 5 days. WOLF is up 1,000% with a 3 billion market cap. BQ is up 209% with a 27 Wolf. BQ. BQ is up, okay, so I said 209% with a 27 million market cap. Can I do this with my, nope. BENF is up 144%. I'll just go to the 5 days so you guys can see it bigger. With an 8 million market cap. COEP is 134, is up 134% with an 80 million market cap. JFB is up 129% with a 132 million market cap. DVLT is up 109% with a 254 million market cap. NUAI is up 104% with a 48 million market cap. PALI is up 91% with an 11 million market cap. DRIO, that was up on our daily, this one is up 79% on the 5 days with a 41 million market cap. ANGX, that one was from yesterday. It is up 77% with a 131 billion market cap. And an extra one, PEPG, just moved up to 77% with a 154 million market cap. So you got 11 there instead of 10. And we'll go to the 1 month. Wolf again Down on the day, up on the 5 days, up on the 1 month at 1,810% change with a 389 billion market cap. Wolf again. PTNM is up 515% with a 281 million market cap. ORBS is up 440% with a 2 billion market cap. SLNH is up 408% with an 82 million market cap. NUAI is up 394% with a 48 million market cap. I want to go back to NUAI. So NUAI is one that's been up recently. It's was Monday, I believe. It was trading real good. Uh, and there was something else about it. Okay, well, if I remember it, I'll come back to NUAI. But anyway, yeah, so this one was trading up earlier in the week. It looks like it's going down a little bit, but there was a nice spike right here, a nice spike right here, so there's been opportunities to make some money off of this one here recently. Okay, so moving on to DVLT. That one is up 377% with a 254 million market cap. WLDS, this one is still up on the month. So it's still up on the 5 days as well. And not on the 5 days, but on the month it still is. Had a lot of movement right here and it's gone back down, but it's not really moved from like $5 for a little bit, a few days. Let me zoom that in. It's probably inaccurate. Okay, so it had some 531, $5 even, 524, 487. Okay, so it's in this little area here. It looks less like it's consolidating whenever you zoom out or zoom in. But when you zoom out, it kind of looks, you can make it all look flat. Okay, so back to the 1 month. That's too big. Okay, and then we have AGMH. That one is up 346% with a 26 million market cap. AGMH, I didn't actually look at that. 18. 2, nice. So BREA, that one, we've been watching since this spike. Hang on. Sorry. Okay, so BREA is up, stop it, 312% with a 74 million market cap. BA, BKKT, BKKT, stop, is up 297% with a 789 million market cap. I feel like I have to sneeze again. News. So I also added this little news section down here, so hopefully it'll pop up news about yeah, it pops up news about the different stocks. So if I look down here, I can see if there's something recent. And also I added this because I thought it might be useful to know related tickers and such. Okay, so we've gone through that. We'll go through the 52 weeks real quick. Okay, so QURE is up 216%. I can't see my market cap. It's not what I wanted. Okay. Okay, so QURE up 216% with a 54, no, 302. Oh my God. I'm gonna make it through this, I promise. Let's start over. QURE is up. Uh, I hate that that says pre. Okay, I'm gonna read the highs differently. I'm gonna read, so, okay, so I'm just gonna do the ticker and the market cap for these. So QURE 3 billion, Wolf, WOLF, 3 billion, MSS, 19 million, MFH, 1 billion, FLUX, 67 million, LAC, 1 billion, AQB, 9 million, NBTX, 888 million. I don't know why that made me laugh. DRPO, 173 million, and EPOW, 38 million. Okay, guys, I'm gonna switch over to the screen to see what's happening over here. And I'm also going to go grab a drink real quick because I am very thirsty. I will be right back. Morning, Trader Z. I was grabbing some coffee and my cat took my chair. I was sitting there thinking about putting it up on screen when I saw your message. What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow? What's your favorite color? So I didn't see Vix's messages earlier, so I was catching up with those. Let me go back over to this one so you guys can see me. So I'm just kind of peeking at the market right now. There we go. So Um, sorry, I was responding to a message to me in the Discord. Traded Z says SLV over 52-week high. Thank you, Lola. So, we got a call for to watch QS. Nice gap up on Apple. TLRY, MSOS, CGC, all moving up. SLV still holding close to 52-week high. That's from uh, View in the Discord. Miners set to post highest profit margins in history. NAK watch. I did sell off, speaking of NAK, so I sold off 100 shares just to secure a teeny bit of profit that I had gotten at the time. Um, as well as free up some funds for trading today. Trade up, short down, this is the way. I like Lola's The Trend is Your Friend. Spot gold tops 3,890 per ounce. Nice. Okay, so I caught up over there. MSTX. That one's up 5%. RR. There was news about RR. Where was it? Let's go over here. Let's pull up RR. It wasn't good. Sorry, I have to switch everything over. There we go. Okay, so this is tipranks.com. It says Capybara Research says Ritech Robotics riddled with fraud, uninvestable. In a recently published report, Capybara says it has uncovered extensive evidence that Ritech Robotics is not what it claims to be, and insiders have engaged in fraudulent schemes to enrich themselves at the expense of shareholders. Furthermore, a short seller argues that Ritech is riddled with fraud, is uninvestable, and will likely collapse as its schemes are exposed. Ritech's recent price share surge appears to be fueled by speculation of an enterprise contract with Walmart. Our investigation shows this narrative is misleading, and at best, has a limited pilot program, thank you ads, involving a single store. Shares of Ritech have dropped almost 4% to $3.49 in the morning trading. And this was yesterday. There was another one that came after that. So now I'm going to go back to Webull because it's over here. On the 29th, it held its shareholders meeting and all of their proposals were approved. Okay, so Ritech Robotic elects new board member. Shameless self-plug. Ritech Robot, Ritech Robotics Class B is just unveiled an announcement. Okay, so this is about the 29th shareholder meeting, the September 29th shareholder meeting. So is this company riddled with fraud or is it not? Okay, so that's what I found about Rytech Robotics. I hope that it's not a fraudulent company because I do like it. Now stop. There we go. Okay, so let's say 55. We could just do some paper trades. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to drag it. I don't know why I clicked it. You quit that Discord type in. Make me, Vix. Make me. Also be okay. And did some great trade. Wait, I already read that. Did some great trades on QS yesterday. Swing and a few scalps and another swing overnight. We'll put a video out on it. Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's see what QS is doing today. Haven't even looked at it. Okay, hang on a second. I need a drink. Okay. I was really thirsty. I don't know if you could tell. Okay, so train at 1466. 5 days. Man, what are you doing? Could have got it for 11. 7. Probably 7 seems like a good. Nope, you could get it for $3. I don't know if I'll see it hit $3. Who knows? Just like to be aware of where the bottom line is, I guess. Let me pull the Discord back up so I can see what people are saying. So, Trader Z says nice gap up on Apple, and CGC and MLS are all moving up. And there they are. JAZZ also has been um doing some stuff. GLN, that one's up 123. CCG, 143. I don't think 143 is a bad buy price for CCG. I just will hopefully never buy it at 180 again. This is one of my first few trades. I bought it at 180 and I held on to it for forever and it just lost me money. But it wasn't the right time in the market to hold it for a long. Also, at that time, I did not go through the 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, 1 year, and the max. And the reason why I do that is because of, I think that stock, that and BATL. I'll pull it BATL. That's another gas and oil company. They're a US company. They should. Mm, LT, duh. TL. Battalion Oil. Anyway, this one is another that kind of it doesn't move up a lot, but occasionally. Here, let me find a better example. 25. There. See, occasionally you get a nice little spike on it. But this is a U.S. oil company. I can't remember where they're stationed. And so we were looking at QS. Give me just a second, guys. I'm going to pull up QS though, so we can look at it. But there's a thing making a noise and I need to fix it. Okay, I silenced the noise. Okay, so QS trading at 1466. I'm going to put QS down here because I wanted to look at MSOS trading at $5. What does this one usually trade at? 2 to 3. No, I mean 5 days. Ugh. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay. Then there's GAZZ. Now this one I don't know as well. It's on my list, but I don't remember when I added it. This one's done pretty well. Trader Z, one to check out. JAZZ. It's a higher trading, yeah, words. Post it in the Discord as well so that everyone else. But yeah, JAZZ is a Cana stock. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and look that up just to make sure because I'm unfamiliar with it, and who knows, maybe I added it to the wrong list. Okay, so they're a pharmaceutical company, but I'm pretty sure their method is using cannabis in their research. Okay, yeah, so they're not just a basic can of stock. Let me find something more. So their main target is epilepsy, and they're working to, oh, hang on. Okay, I'll just read what it says. It says JZZ Pharmaceuticals, Jazz, is not a typical weed stock involved in cannabis cultivation. Rather, it is a biopharmaceutical company with a diverse portfolio that includes an FDA-approved cannabis-derived drug for epilepsy called Epidiolex. The company's involvement in the cannabis sector through this medical product, making it an unconventional cannabis investment. So, yeah, I would say that that is probably why this one has been a little more stable because it's not just a basic can of stock. But yeah, so I posted that in the Discord. Let's look at NAK real quick. Yes? No? No. Okay. Ooh, we're trading at 120. 126 is the next one. So I guess I'll go over the can of stocks today. So MSOS and CGC, both call outs by Trader Z. MSOS is up 0.99%, so almost up 1%. And CGC is up 2%. Then there's JAZZ, which we just looked at, which hasn't had any change. I should be clicking these. MSOS, CGC, JAZZ, GLN, the GNLN. Coffee hasn't helped, guys. That one is down in the pre-market by 1%. High Tide is up 1%. IMCCB has not changed. ABC, ACB is almost up 1%. No change to CRON. TLRY is up 1.5%. GRWG is up 0.65%. SNDL is up 0.40%. Then we already pulled up CGC, which is up 2%. Then OGI, which is not made any change. VFF, which is up 3.41%. VFF is one of my favorites as far as the Canada stocks go to trade in. Although I will say I hadn't found a good time to trade it recently. Well, until let's see, it was like when did I watch it? I started watching it probably a year ago. Yeah. So it was around here when I started watching it, and I just knew it would go up, but I did not know when. But now it is going up. Right there. And then it's hit 336 this past month. And AKAN, that one is down 11%. Did you get shorted? Ooh. But at least it's not like a straight drop. It didn't look great though there for a second. FYI and a QS swing from yesterday. Yeah. I thought I'd already read that you said that. Expert says miners are set to post highest profit margins in history. Trump tariffs markets unfazed as EFTs see 74% flow since April lows. Nice. Go to all stocks. It's 913. That's no ABCL is up 3%. Oh, where am I at? There we go. ASTS up 3%. And there's RR. I just don't know. I like this stock. I don't want it to be a bad stock. SAVA. That one is Nope, I didn't mean to click that. I meant to click MSTX. That one is up 5%. Currently trading at 24.82. Looking for things we haven't gone over yet. I think we went over NBIS too. Okay. I don't think we went over RGC. That one is up 3%. Just dipped all the way down to 1608 and then back up to 1636 at least. Our GTX up 3%, trading at 149. Well, actually trading at 153. Then there was another PGYA up 4%, trading at 3116 to 3120. SOBR is up 3%. SIFR, Cipher Mining, is up 3%. OBRS is up 4%. BREA up 7%. YIBO is also up 4%. I'm looking at LAC now. Had a nice jump yesterday. Curious to see what it's doing now. This is down 5%. Okay, so we're just watching QS. We're gonna keep an eye on it until 9:30 and take a peek at anything else that starts moving. Okay, a whole bunch of 52-week highs. Got a call out for Oklo. BREA is up 13%. NBIS 52-week high. INOD 52-week high. Resolve. Ooh, look at you, Resolve. RZLV hit 552. I'll go in 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. MU 52-week high. It's trading at 49. Coming back down. CAMT 52-week high. AKAN 52-week high. Okay, well, I need to pay attention to this, or I'm not going to get in and make any money. It's trading at 52, 53. 51. I don't want to buy it there. Let's go to the 5 minutes. The 2 minutes. 48. Okay. Look right at the bottom of the 1 minute candle. Alright, I'm in. Ooh, 5 minute candle. I'm in the 5 minute candle. 2 minute candle. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Hopefully not. Just keep going up. And I got stopped out. That's okay. I made bottom for 553, sold them for 602. Okay. Let's go in with a smaller amount. We're going to go in again. Let's also check the market and see what it's doing. TLRY. That is actually AKAN had a 52-week high. Oh, I need to post. Oh, TLRY. There's a call out for it. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna put that right there on the low end and then think about it a little more. I think honestly 83 would be reasonable. Let's check the current bids. As long as it continues to go up. No, just dip to 83 for just a second for me. Seeing 55s, 56s, 56, 55. Back and forth, back and forth. 87. Okay, so now let's go to 85. I'm probably gonna just miss this. Going red, 5 minutes. Still blue, 1 minute. If it breaks 88, I won't get in. Tighten up my stop loss because she'll either move or not. What's volume? 86. Blue, where's our 5 minute? Still blue on the 5 minute. 2 minutes. The dollar. Come on. Break 88. You know you want to. ADTX 52-week high. So 82, 83. All right, I might get stopped out of this with a couple dollars loss. We'll just have to see. All right, so I got stop loss out. I lost $2.75 on that trade. So let's watch it for a second and see if it continues to go down or if it comes back up. Oh, RBS. Um, nope, ORBS. Is this called out? I thought it was called out in the Discord. I don't know, guys. If I'd set my stop loss a little bit lower, like 178 maybe, I might have been able to turn this TLRY trade around. QS is going green. Gotta call out for that. Let's look at RGTX again. Hmm. Back to ORBS. It's going back up. And 44.40. Um, NAK is at 120, hit 122 there a minute ago. All right, we broke 123. 22. US holding above 8, 12, and 20 EMA. Bull flag. All right. Why is QS not on here? I could have swore I put it on there any earlier. Let me check this real quick. You know what? There. Much better. Rigetti is up 13%. AMD is a stock that I wanted to keep an eye on. Um, I'm expecting this one to pop off. Kind of looks like it It's moving. Because this company is it VIX, correct me. Graphics cards for AMD. But anyway, I do want to snag some of these shares cheap. I'm just not sure what price I want to snag them at. Back to NAK. Pull that up. NVIDIA trending up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up NVIDIA so we can see what everybody's talking about today. 88, 189, 87, one day, I hit 191. Now back to 190. Yeah. Falling back up NAK. I don't know if I'll get this sell today. That's alright. I don't have to sell them. I can hold on to them until they make me lots and lots of money. Alrighty, guys. I think that is it for me today. Tomorrow when we get back on, we'll be checking on NAK, seeing what it's doing, seeing if the Canada stocks are continuing to move, and anything else that just kind of looks interesting in the market. Well, anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. And where's my page? There it is. Anyway, bye.